Hello, here is geometry number 6 from Tuesday, April 28th. We'll go over the correct answers. So number 1, we are looking for at least one acute angle. The rectangle is all right angle, so this is a no. The parallelogram does have acute angles up in the corners. These, of course, these other corners are obtuse, but these two are acute, so this is a yes. And the kite also has 2 acute and 2 obtuse, but it has at least one acute angle, so also a yes. Okay, a right triangle has a right angle, and the only one with a right angle is right there, right angle, so that one is the yes. Not a right angle on this one here, and the last one, I need to get me out of the way. There we go. All right, next page. We are looking for at least 2 pairs of parallel lines, and this is the one that stumps people because we want 2 different pairs. So we've got a pair, there's a pair, there's a pair, and there's a pair, so this octagon has 4 different pairs, right? Because all the opposite sides are parallel, so this one is a yes. The trapezoid only has 1 pair. They are parallel, but it's not 2 different pairs, it's just the 1 pair, so it ends up being a no. And the hexagon has 3 pairs, the opposite sides again. Lines of symmetry, that line down the middle of the heart is a yes. The rectangle, it will not work, but the pentagon, it will. There are 4 more on the pentagon, but the one they drew is a line of symmetry. So remember this one, if you were to fold it, they would not match. Next, this one is a little tricky. So this star, we could for sure draw a line right down the center and it would match, right? If we folded it from the point to the thing here. Depending on how you look at it, it looks like we could probably draw 5 going from every point to here. The star's a little bit wonky, so if you said like 3 or something because it doesn't seem like folding it certain ways would work, we're okay with that. But if it was a regular looking star, we could fold it 5 ways, so we would do more than 4. This one, you can definitely fold it this way and this way, but you could also fold it from the tip to the tip, so it's got exactly 4. And this one, you really could not fold it to make it match, so it is none. Okay, this one, people did pretty well with this, except that each figure may be matched to more than one description. So usually people got at least one of the descriptions, but sometimes there's more than one. So looks like a rectangle, not a square. It has no obtuse angles, but it does have right angles, which means it has perpendicular sides. So these sides are perpendicular, and then the parallel sides, the opposite sides are parallel. This one does have an obtuse angle right here. It does not have perpendicular sides because it would need to have 90-degree angles, but it does have a pair of parallel sides, the top and the bottom. An obtuse angle, yes, that right there is an obtuse angle. No exact 90-degree angle, so no perpendicular sides, like some people might look at that, but see it here is a 90-degree angle on the outside box. None of these are quite right. So no perpendicular, no parallel. And finally, perpendicular sides. Yes, those sides are perpendicular. An acute angle. Yep, there's acute angles on those sharp corners. Parallel sides. Nope, nothing's parallel. This one, perpendicular sides. Yes, on the rectangle because we see those 90-degree angles. Acute angles. Nope, they're all right angles. And it does have parallel sides. So this parallelogram, because of the slant, nothing is perpendicular. But we do have acute angles here in these corners. And we do have, I'm gonna have to move my face again. There we go. We do have parallel sides. There we go. Now I'm gonna make my face huge. Thanks for watching. Bye.